Finally, this is the fun part. We are going to set up our Google Authorship profile. Let's go to our website. Okay, a lot of the crew has already gone through this training before, but just in case you haven't, let's do it again. And this is how to make a G+ pick, and to do that we go to this website. It's just gpluspick.com, like this. Now all you need to do is find an image that you want to use. We'll just use this practice fellow here. Open it, and you can left click on this and drag it all around and resize it. And you can change where this Google Plus image goes. Left, right. You do that by scrolling down here. Let's try it on the right. That works. It looks like a Google author, right? And all you need to do here is preview and download. And from here you just right click and save as. Save image as. Practice works for me. Save it. Now what I can do is grab it, drag it out here. Here it is right here. Let's just open it up. And let's resize this to, actually it's good, 350 by 350 is a good G+ image. And it's that simple to make a G+ image for Google Authorship. Now let's go back to our website. Okay, and what I'm going to do is add a code into my sidebar that allows Google to pick up and verify that this is actually my website, and a couple of other things. And I'm actually going to do it on my own website, johnjarvistraining.com, and I'll show you what these images actually look like. And I'm going to install mine right here. But this is the PDIMI internetmarketingtraining.com blog. And what I'm talking about is stuff like this right here. So let's go back to my personal website and let's get verified by Google. And from here, let's log into the dashboard. And let's get at it. This may get a little bit tricky for me, or sticky for me I should say, because I've already been accepted into the Google Authorship program. So if you do hear any indecision in my voice, that's why. Okay, the first thing we need to do is go to this website address, plus.google.com/authorship, and I will leave links in the PDF. So let's go to this website. And you can link content you publish on a specific domain to your Google Plus profile. Make sure you have a profile photo. We just took care of that. Always make sure you have a byline containing your name. We took care of that. Make sure your byline name matches the name on your Google Plus profile. Make sure it matches exactly. And you need to verify that you have an email address on the specific domain that you are getting authorship for. Now if you don't, you can actually use other methods that are more technical, but if you're not a technical type person, you simply enter your email address for your domain in here. So all we need to do is simply put our email address in here and sign up. Now all we need to do is go click the verification link at john@johnjarvistraining.com, and as soon as we do that, what's going to happen is we have verified that we own that website. So let's go to my email account. Okay, when you do anything like this, always make sure that you check your junk mail, because things like this usually end up there. And here it is. And all I need to do is click this verify button, sign in, you have verified the email address. I just proved to Google that I own that website. So let's go back now. This time we're going to actually get our badge for our sidebar. And to do that, we need to go to this website address right here, and this will be included in the PDF. So let's go to that website, and this is it right here. Now what you can do is play around with everything here and find out which badge you want. I kind of like this one here. And if you go to advanced options, you can change the width, because each website, each WordPress theme is different, and generally 200 is a good width to have in your sidebar. So let's grab this and pull it down, and see this number right here, 289. Watch it move as I slide this up and down. So this can change the size of your the badge itself. 199 will do. And all you need to do is click here, right click actually, select all, and copy it. Now you can save this in a document. It might be a good idea. And let's actually go back to our blog. And we need to put it in the sidebar. I want you to see what's happening as we do this. So what I'm going to do right now is show you what the sidebar looks like as it is. Okay, this is the sidebar, and we're going to install it right between the autoresponder code and the Feedit live traffic feed. So let's go do that back in our dashboard. And from here we go to Appearance, Widgets, and we need to go to our primary sidebar, and we need to install it between the text and the Feedit widget. And how we do that is we add another text widget. So let's grab our text right here, left click, hold, drag it up, place it in between. Now for our title, let's put this: connect with me on Google+, and then just paste that code right there. Alright, now let's scroll down here and click Save. Now let's go back to our website, and remember it's going right here if all goes well. Let's refresh. Right there. Now all someone has to do is just click Add Me to Circles. But I might change this because it's a little bit sloppy. Okay, how about let's connect on Google. How does that work? This just keeps it a little bit tidy, that's all. You want your website to look professional. There, that's better. Let's connect on Google. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Alright, now we have to again verify our website, but a different way this time. This time we need to go to this website address, google.com/webmasters. So let's go there. And if you don't have an account here, which is free, you sign up for it. And you would need to go through the verification process again, of course. Once you have an account, you can just sign in. And what you need to do is go to Tools. And it appears to me that I'm in Tools right now. Now from here you need to add a site and type in your domain name with the HTTP or www and continue. This is where we verify, And the way that I'm showing people how to do it is clicking on alternate methods, and you need to click on verify using your Google Analytics account. This is one of the things that you need to sign up for, is an analytics account. So you go to this website address, google.com/analytics, and you either create an account or sign in. And what I'm going to do is sign in, start using Google Analytics, sign up because I don't have an analytics account yet. And you enter your website name, your URL, and go through all of this. I went ahead and filled mine in. Website name, add it here, your URL. You pick your category, and there's not a whole lot to choose from. You pick your country and your time zone. You add a name for this account, and I'm going to leave these checked, and you click here to get your tracking ID. Go through this again because the terms of service are different, no doubt, for every country. You accept. And here is our analytics tracking ID right here. This is, you want to hang on to this for sure, so copy it and paste it in a notepad or a WordPad. And you can use this tracking ID in certain plugins that WordPress uses. Myself, I would rather just do it this way. Don't need the pop-up. Scroll down, and here's a tracking code. I just left clicked on that, and I'm going to copy that and save it too in a WordPad document. And then I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Now don't let what you're about to see scare you. This appears to be a little bit of coding, but remember, this is just copy and paste. And what we need to do right now is take all of that coding that I just showed you, that we just picked up, and we need to paste it inside of your header where we can't see it, only the Google robots and the spiders can see it. Each theme is going to be different, each WordPress theme I mean, and of course the one that we're in right now is the Genesis theme. So in order to do this, we need to go to Appearance and Editor, and this will be different from different themes. And in the agency theme, I need to click on Genesis. Now I need to find the header template, which is right here. Now if you have to watch this a couple of times, that's okay, because I've had to watch it more than a couple of times. Alright? And each header has an opening and a closing tag, and right here is a closing tag. It's got these symbols. What you would need to do is place your cursor right here and hit the enter so it drives that down once, and then you need to paste that code right there. After you do that, you update your file. Now we go back to Webmaster Tools, the verification section, and make sure that you leave these windows open. That's why I always have more than one window open, so that I don't actually get lost. Anyway, from here we can click Verify. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership of johnjarvistraining.com. Now I'm going to render this video, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to verify Guide to Online Marketing and Sales.com too. So I'll see you in the next video. And this time it's the Social Statistics widget. I will go and show you what that looks like on another blog I have. This is the PDIMI Internet Marketing Training.com website blog, and this is the widget right here that I'm talking about. We're going to add that to your blog. In order to do that, we need to go to this website this time. There's the URL. Let's go to the site, and what you want to do is sign in with Google right up here on the right hand side. and allow this widget to have access to your website. From here, what you want to do is add your Google profile ID right here. So to get it, you can go to Google Plus and click on your name. Now copy that number from the URL, and all you add in is the numbers, and then you click Add Me. Now over here on the left, and scroll down, and here is your code for that right here. Just left click or right click and copy. And you may want to save this in a document too. I'll just paste it here for now. And we take this back to our website. Now we decide where we want to put it, and I'm thinking where I'm going to put it on my website is again right here. So let's go back to our dashboard and to our widgets. Primary sidebar. Let's add another text in here. Let's go just above that one. And I'm not going to put a title up here this time. I'm just going to paste that code right there. I'm going to save it. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to refresh this website. And there is the social statistics widget. Now anytime anyone clicks on the add you to the circles right here, this number is going to go up, and this is going to improve your Google authority and your Google authorship. So that's it for now, and I will see you definitely in another part of this module.